Okay, so welcome back, all dear students. In this video, we are going to see how to create levels in Revit. Okay, so let's again open the Revit screen. So it is again we are continuing from the last session. Here, in this screen, you will find project browser, and this project browser you will find floor plans. So whenever you find open a new file, there will be a number of levels which will be shown here. Now these are the by default levels. So from here you need to go to elevations. Okay, you need to go to elevations, and from here elevations you double click on south. Okay, so when you will, it is asking to save the project, so save the project, no issue with that. So here it will show many different levels. Now what levels to create and how to create levels, okay, that we are going to see in this video. So I have a small screenshot for you, that is here. Okay, so here I am showing you different types of levels in a residential building. So first of all, there is a ground level. Okay, and that ground level is generally given 0 feet. Okay, the elevation of ground feet is generally 0 feet. The footing lies at least 3 to 4 feet below the ground level. So here I have given the footing as minus 4 feet elevation. Then there is another plinth level. This plinth level is above the ground level. It is actually the immediate floor next to the ground. So generally the plinth height is 2.5 to 3 feet depending upon the water level during flooding in that area. So here I have assumed a plinth level of 2.5 feet. Then comes the sill level. Sill level, it is that level where the window is placed or the bottom of the window is placed. So sill height is generally 2.5 feet. So plinth level is 2.5 feet, and again sill level is 2.5 feet. So 2.5 plus 2.5, it makes 5 feet. So sill level is 5 feet above the ground level. Okay. Next comes the lintel level. So lintel level is 7 feet above the ground level. Above the plinth level. So plinth level to lintel level is 7 feet, and then again 2.5 feet. 7 plus 2, 9.5 feet. So lintel level is 9.5 feet. And then we have the roof level. Generally here in India, in northern India, the roof level is kept as 11 feet. So 11 feet is from the plinth level, and plinth level is 2.5. So 11 plus 2.5, it makes 13.5. So roof level is 13.5. So these are the levels that we are going to create, and you must remember these levels. Okay. So let me minimize this and again maximize the Revit software. Okay. So here you are seeing many levels and different names. So just to make the process easy, I would recommend you to delete all the levels and keep only one level. So simply select all these levels, and press delete. Okay, it will give you a warning and ask to delete the levels. You simply click on OK. Okay, so now I have only one level. That is the roof level, and I have deleted all other levels. Now to make the work easy, let us rename this. So double click on roof and give a name GL. GL means ground level. Okay, so simply double click on it and change the name. So it is asking to change the name, you say yes. Okay, so ground level, and it is having a elevation of 20 feet, make it 0 feet. 0 feet, single quote, enter. Okay, now it has gone down. So this is the ground level which is at 0 feet. Now we want other levels also. Okay, so first is below the ground level, that is footing level. So the simplest way to do this is press the control button, and then click on the level and bring it down and leave it without leaving the control button. Control button should remain pressed. Okay, and now you can leave the control button also. Okay, so we are seeing it as level 8. So rename it as footing level. Say FL, footing level. And what is the level of footing? You remember, minus 4 feet. Okay, minus 4 feet as I shown in the diagram, right? So in this way we can create other levels also. Again, press control, then click on any level, take it above and leave it. Okay, again rename it. This is ground level, and then we have plinth, PL, plinth level. Its height is 2.5 feet. So 2.5 and single quote, 2.5 feet. Okay, 2 feet 6 inches. then it was sill level, next was sill level. So SIL sill, enter, rename the sill, and again change the height to 5 feet. Okay, sill was at 5 feet. Then comes the lintel. So press the control and leave it above. Okay, and double click on anything to change. Lintel was 9.5 feet, enter, and the level was lintel. Okay, lintel level, and last one was roof level. So again press control, click and leave it. Okay, and then leave the control also. Then comes the roof. Okay, roof is at 13.5 feet, right? If I'm not wrong, let me check again. Roof 13.5, lintel 9.5, sill is 5. Okay, yes. uh, so we have drawn all the levels, if things are overlapping, what you can do is that, for example, here plinth and sill are overlapping, simply click on any one and use your arrow key, use the right arrow key to move it right. Okay, now these are not overlapping. Okay, if you want lintel to be little inside, click on the lintel and move it little left. Okay, this chat GPT, I don't know what is disturbing again, right? So you can move these uh, levels, okay, using your arrow keys also, right? Similarly, you can also have an upward and downward movement using the arrow keys. So in this way I have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 levels. Okay, and we have 6 levels here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so levels have been created. A small recap again. First we deleted all the levels and kept only one level. Okay, then we changed the name and its elevation, and then simply click the control button and then click on any level and move it up and down and leave it. It will make a copy of that level. You can also use control C, control V to create a copy of the level. So this levels was done after I activated the south elevation. Okay, so first of all I activated the south elevation and then these levels were there. Now I want to see these levels in my plan also. So you go to floor plan. Here you go to floor plan. In floor plan, I am having only ground level. I am having only ground level. Other levels are not available. So how to do this? I want to see all these levels in my floor plans also. So here you click on the view, click on view, and then click on plan view. Click on plan view, and then click on floor plan. Click on floor plan. Here you will see all the levels that you've created. So press the mouse key, and select all of them, or select all of them from top to bottom. Okay, all these plans have been selected. All these plans, and make sure it is do not duplicate the existing views. You do not want to duplicate them. Okay, and press OK. As you press OK, all these levels are visible here in the floor plans. So whenever you click on the floor plan, it means you are FL is for footing level. So when you click on the FL, you are at the footing level. When you click on lintel, you are at the lintel level. Okay, so you have to make sure that all these levels are visible here in the floor plans. So how to see? Again, click on the view and then plan views, floor plans, and all this should be available here. Okay, so we stop this video here. In this video I have shown you how to create different levels and how to see those levels in the floor plan. Thank you very much. We will continue this video from here, and we will see how to make the walls and the wall properties in the next video. Thank you.